at the box that the mailman brought. Wonder what's in there. Well, she sits up a little higher without the plow. Pretty much level. I guess that's the whole point of leveling kit. But there's room for bigger tires there now. So I might have to do something about that someday soon. Well, I went shopping today. Had to get some dog food, and I seen these on the clearance rack on clearance sale. And these are RBG. They're spotlight, LED spotlight pods. But these are app controlled with a smartphone, Bluetooth. I was considering doing another LED. I did a LED bar, a curved LED bar on the Dakota, and it worked really good. It was really bright. But there's probably several places that these could be mounted. I've seen people put them on the roof rack up top, like off-road style. I've seen people put them in front of the grill. That's what I did on the Dakota. I put it in front of the grill. I've seen people put them down low. I like them to be up high, personally, and then pointed downwards. Oh, that kind of fits in there. Okay, I'm in the back of the truck because I don't know if I'll mount them today or not, but I have a battery back here just to run the winch, the plow winch, so I figured I can just use this battery for temporary, just to show you. So all it is a brain box, goes to the battery, and the lights hook up to the brain box, and that's it. But I have the app here. Okay. For some reason the app won't open. I thought they were aluminum housings, but I think they're plastic. I was handling them out of the package, and I think these are plastic. It says these zones are supposed to pop up automatically, but I'm not seeing them. So I bought some color changing LEDs, like fog lights that were on clearance. They're app controlled with Bluetooth, and it's the only way you can control them was with the app. And I wanted to put some sort of like a light bar or something on, like I did on the Dakota project. So I seen them on clearance and I thought they would be good. Picked them up. The lights worked, but I couldn't get the app to work on either one of my phones. So I returned those color changing LEDs and I ordered up something different, and I think it's gonna be fun and exciting, and it's gonna be good. I'm gonna be removing this cover here off the trunk lid. Sometimes the trunk latch sticks, so I think the cover just pulls off. I don't think there's any screws or bolts or anything. Investigate inside there and maybe spray it, maybe lubricate it. It's really cold too, so it could be freezing. Looks like it's been pulled off before. There's some dirty fingerprints here. Of course, they could be mine. Might have to take the top piece off first, or maybe I'll just pull it partially. Maybe I'll just pull one. There's some rust-proofing spray. Must have been rust-proofed or sprayed in there at once upon a time. I tried to lubricate the latch, but I didn't do a very good job. There's the inside of the tailgate. And there's a tailgate, some type of control module there. And a latch for the glass. And a wiper motor. This wiper motor does not work, I don't think. So I might have to change that eventually, if that's the problem. Could be a fuse, I'll have to check into it. So I'm here to look at the latch. I think this is a lock mechanism that locks here, and I think that works with the power. Okay, maybe not. I can hear this module clicking when I push the unlock button, but I also noticed the latch looks like it's in good shape, but there's a couple things unplugged. There's two plugs there that don't seem to be plugged in, and I believe that purple one there, I think it goes right there. Why that's unplugged, but this gives me good access to lubricate the latch, make sure it's working properly. I can try the handle and make sure the handle is releasing and returning and everything. Seems to be working fine. Maybe that's not returning all the way. Or maybe it is. I'll have to check. It seems to work now. So it's latched there now. Opens fine. You hear the electric motor click. I don't know what that is. It latches. And it locks and everything with the key now. It was unplugged, they were both unplugged. It seems to work a lot better. I'm gonna go get the vehicle and plow, and I think I'm gonna park the plow here and disconnect it, and maybe I'll disconnect it in real time. It doesn't take very long to disconnect it. It's actually easier to disconnect it than it is to hook it up, I guess, but anyway. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna do is just let it down and give me a little bit extra slack on the winch cable. Disconnect it down below first, maybe, or whichever is easier, and then the top one off the third link, and then this just lifts up and out. It's a little bit tricky sometimes, but I was thinking about building some type of a hook to hook it and keep it there, or maybe something. But anyway, it just lifts up and out pretty easy. Ugh, but she's heavy. She's a heavy plow. And that's pretty much it. And I'll just leave it until next time, and I'll just flip it down into place, hook up the winch, away you go. And it's also easy to disconnect this 3-point hitch. All you do is pull the pin. Now I'll disconnect the third point or the hitch adapter as well in real time, just to show how easy it can be. You pull this pin out here, or this hairpin out of the main pin, and I'll just take this here, put it in my trunk, and that's pretty much that. And I could reconnect it again and show you how fast it is to put it back together, but I want to leave the plow off for a couple days, or I want to leave the plow off for now. There's a lot of weight on the rear springs, and I haven't even really checked out the lift kit and level kit, how it's sitting, and I want to change the rear shocks. So I think I'm just going to leave this off for now. Well, it's too bad the color changing lights didn't work out. They were kind of small, but they had the cool factor. Well, the trunk lock works now with the keyless entry and alarm. No, buddy. Oh my goodness. What a lovely smile you have. Oh, the better to eat you with. Good boy. What are you doing? You just love it, don't you? You just love it, don't you? Well, she sits up a little higher without the plow. Pretty much level. I guess that's the whole point of leveling kit. But there's room for bigger tires there now. So I might have to do something about that someday soon. Look at the box that the mailman brought. Wonder what's in there. I don't think there's anywhere else it can go. But I've wanted to do a roof install, or something I haven't done yet is one on the roof. So I think I might, either I'm going to have to build custom brackets. Those brackets might work, I don't know. I was thinking about maybe putting on the roof rack. Sorry, it's a little bit windy today. This one seems to have stronger aluminum fins on the back, stronger than the one that I put on the Dakota, the curved LED bar. But this one's a lot bigger. And there's a lot of snow on the roof of the vehicle right now. So I'd like to test fit it and mount it, but it's so friggin' cold. It's like -15 right now. The roof of the truck's covered in snow. So I'm not too sure if I'll mount that right away or not.